Good morning.
It's
Well,
good morning.
just kidding. Good afternoon. It is, what day is it? Thursday.
Acro.
Yeah, we skipped yesterday. Sorry. We skipped. I don't know why, but we did.
We were busy.
We were kind of busy, weren't we? We did a lot of school. Well, we are at Acro. The kids are about to go dancing. The girls are.
Boys can't.
Well, boys can, but Noah's too young. So Noah and I are going to wait and hang out and play.
I'm wearing glasses because my eyes hurt.
Yeah. It's a little, the sun's piercing through the clouds a little weird, so we're all of our eyes are hurting. Anyways, good morning. We love you. We hope that you are having a good day, and we'll keep you guys posted on our fun activities today. Hi. Noah's sulking for some reason. I don't know why, but he is. Hey. We're waiting on the girls. They're in Acro. Not exactly sure what's going on in there. See if we can catch them. Oh, they're up to something. Looks like Ella's free ranging. Free ranging chicken. Just kidding. JL! There's Mila and Iris's bestie. They're in there doing their thing. It's hard to see.
Okay, so we have left from Acro. We are getting grocery picked up, and we will be waiting
And heading to Panda.
and heading to Panda for dinner.
Linner.
It's like lunch dinner because it's like only
Lunch
2.
dinner.
And we will be waiting, and oh look, it's already done that fast. Okay, so we are all waiting quietly, and we'll be right back. Acro is fun. And we were having really fun. And we did our Acro dance. If you've seen the other video of Acro, comment down below if you've seen it.
Why are you talking funny? Can you tell them why you're talking funny?
I too.
Can you make it wiggle?
Okay.
You hold it back.
Okay.
I don't know if I'll actually put that one in, but it's cute nonetheless.
Hi, Ella.
Ella, how was Acro?
Good. Okay, so
He's already asleep? Oh my gosh.
well, Noah already fell asleep. Oh, hold on. Ugh, whatever. He already fell asleep. He's all asleep. But I got this notebook that's scented. Notebook.
It's cute. It's for what
English.
subject? Yeah.
And it's full of flowers, and
There goes the one.
when you scratch it like that, wait, you got the scratch. It
The
smells.
sniff one, yeah. We're gonna pick one up for you next
Tastes
time.
it smells so good. Not taste. Smells.
Tastes good. I licked it.
Hey. Never mind about
Oh, I
it.
need to go over to Panda.
So it smelled so good, and it says perfectly scented. Hey guys, I licked my lookie. You licked your notebook.
Tell what happened at Walmart. Here, hold the camera.
I was running at Walmart because we were hurrying, and then after that, when I was running
The parking lot.
in the parking lot, I was running so fast that my teeth was going backwards.
Blowing in the wind. So marvelously. Okay, so Iris just ran upstairs here with crazy makeup. And she said, what? What'd you say?
Ring-a-ding-a-ding.
With what? You're missing a tooth. What happened? How'd you lose your tooth?
I can't
Let me see.
I was like, ring-a-ding-a-ding.
You sneezed out your tooth?
Yeah, she actually sneezed.
What happened to your makeup? She sneezed out her tooth. So Barbie pulled yours out 2 nights ago. And you sneezed out your tooth. Excuse the laundry, you're putting it away.
I was like, ring-a-ding,
No way. Oh my gosh, let me see.
It's no blood's coming in.
No blood this time. This tooth has bled like crazy for 2 days. And I was seriously considering having the dentist take it out to help her. Oh my gosh, yay. Well, it looks like we're gonna have a dental checkup. Yay! Probably next, I don't know. They should be able to get you in next week, hopefully. Hopefully.
This is wiggling already.
This one's wiggling. Well, come here, wiggle it. Keep wiggling it, that'd be awesome. Hey, Ella, come look. Ella, come look at Iris's mouth. Wait, let me see. Oh, Ella's scared. She's hiding. Don't scare your sister. Oh, look at her. Careful, there's a pot up there with a non-existent dead plant. Ella, it's okay, love. Come here. So, Iris, how does it feel to finally have that waving door out of your mouth? That's so cute. We totally have to send a picture to Dad.
You're like, turn it off.
That's so cute. Turn it off. But you're so cute. But your makeup's scary, but you're cute. What's wrong? What's wrong? Why are you crying? Tell the world what happened. Iris broke her tooth. Iris lost her tooth, love. Remember all those days you were wanting to lose teeth? Well, that's what it looks like. What do you think? Oh, you want to tell? Okay. Noah. Look at her tooth. He's freaked out. He doesn't want to look at it. Oh, I know. Look at these cute toothless girls. They're so cute. He's freaking her out. No hitting. No pushing. No pushing. It's not nice. Silly. We're keeping it real over here. Okay. Y'all are silly.
Okay, Ella, now just
Hold on, I'm trying to help your brother.
Hold on. Wait, watch out. Oh, yes. No. I'm looking at you.
Doink. Iris is grooming our cat. He has a very fluffy face. Oh, he's mad. And she smashed his fur down. Oh, they're picking on you. See, if you pull his fur out like it normally is. Wait, Iris, wait, love. His fur's normally out, like all fluffy and cute. See if I can get it fixed.
He's so
Hey, look, he's always so fluffy. And then she smashed his. Justin, what happened?
Now look at it straight.
What happened?
Now again.
Oh, you made him mad that time. Hey, buddy. No. No, be gentle. Be gentle. Chester is our 11-year-old kitty. He's just so wonderful and good with the kids. And he's so fun to play with because he's so relaxed. Turn the light back on, buddy. No, he's so cute. So we realized something. Don't mind the background noise, the kids are playing. We realized something. Mila lost her tooth on Tuesday, and we called it Toothless Tuesday. And Iris lost her tooth on Thursday, so now we're calling it Toothless Thursday. But I told her she could say Thursday with an F, because she's missing a tooth. Let me see. Thursday. Thursday. You're so cute. I love you. I'm totally loving this whole toothless look.